Hello, little linguists learners. Today, we're going to learn numbers from 1 to 10. And we'll also learn how to spell each number. Let's begin. This is number 1. O-N-E, 1. O-N-E, 1. Can you say it with me? O-N-E, 1. This is number 2. T-W-O, 2. T-W-O, 2. Let's say it together. T-W-O, 2. This is number 3. T-H-I-E, 3. T-H-I-E, 3. Repeat after me. T-H-I-E, 3. This is number 4. F-O-U-R, 4. F-O-U-R, 4. Say it again. F-O-U-R, 4. This is number 5. F-I-V-E, 5. F-I-V-E, 5. Let's spell it together. F-I-V-E, 5. This is number 6. S-I-X, 6. S-I-X, 6. Say it with me. S-I-X, 6. Very good. Keep it up. This is number 7. S-E-V-E-N, 7. S-E-V-E-N, 7. One more time. S-E-V-E-N, 7. This is number 8. E-I-G-H-T, 8. E-I-G-H-T, 8. Let's say it slowly. E-I-G-H-T, 8. This is number 9. N-I-N-E, 9. N-I-N-E, 9. Say it together. N-I-N-E, 9. This is number 10. T-E-N, 10. T-E-N, 10. Let's say it again. T-E-N, 10. Great job. Now, let's say all the numbers together from 1 to 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And now let's spell them together. Ready? O-N-E, 1. T-W-O, 2. T-H-I-E-E, 3. F-O-U-R, 4. F-I-V-E, 5. S-I-X, 6. S-E-V-E-N, 7. E-I-G-H-T, 8. N-I-N-E, 9. T-E-N, 10. You did amazing today. Keep practicing, and numbers will be your best friends. See you next video.